Hi, this is Jennifer from Ohana Dwellings, and today we're going to be going over the brand new AI Design Inspiration Creator. Since this is a 3D model, you can go to any point in the model and use the Design Inspiration tool. The arrow on the left-hand side, this will bring up AI Design Inspiration Toolbox. It's going to give you a viewport that you can make larger or smaller depending on if you want to zoom in or zoom out. I like the way that it looks here, so I'm going to click next, and then it's going to ask you, what are we styling? Are we styling an exterior, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom? So go to next. And what is the style that you want to see first? So let's go to Nordic Classic, go to next, and give it a moment to create your design. Here are 4 different designs that you have to review. So I like this one. Here is a slider that you can slide across to see what you started with and what was generated. Up at the top here, we'll work our way down, is the view the color palette. Click on that, and this will show you the colors that are being used in this design. So this is all of my past designs that you can also view the color palettes. You can also try a new color scheme on some of the styles. Some of them don't have it. And let's say we want to try a different design. Let's see a ranch style next. Let's say you like one of these designs. For this one, for example, you can take the color scheme from this window, copy it, and paste it into more, or you can click on more and click the AI designs, and it will bring up the last 4 designs. Click apply this texture and it will give you the colors pulled from that design. So if we go to purple, it will apply it. Let's take a look at an interior design inspiration. Go back to the arrow, pull up the toolbox, drag the viewport, press next, select kitchen, next, and then take a look at the different styles. Let's go with Scandinavian. Select next, give it a moment to load. And here you have a Scandinavian design. Let's take a look at some different color schemes. Let's take a look at this one right here. Press regenerate, and that will recreate the design with that color scheme. You can see it's come up with some different colors. Let's take a look at the color palette. And let's say I like this dark brown. Go there, and we want to choose that for the upper cabinet. That texture. Let's take a look at our past designs. So go back over to the arrow, click past designs, and that will load up the past designs. And you can view the color palette at any point. You can also access the designs under the buyer dashboard under AI designs. It will give you your screenshot that you designed off of. Click this, and that will give you your past designs.